The Sony VPL-VW715ES 4K HDR home theater projector is a piece of technology built for anyone who wants a truly cinematic experience at home. This isn't just a projector. It's a window into the kind of visuals you'd expect in high-end theaters, but right in your living space. From the moment it's powered on, the difference is obvious. The design is sleek and refined, finished in matte black, with subtle curves that give it a premium, professional look. What sets this projector apart is its native 4K resolution. Unlike pixel-shifting projectors, the VPL-VW715ES delivers over 8 million individual pixels, providing razor-sharp detail in every frame. Movies, series, and even older Blu-rays get a new level of clarity. The SXRD panel technology ensures excellent contrast, deep blacks, and vibrant colors, while the dynamic HDR enhancer fine-tunes each scene to maintain detail in both bright and dark areas. Brightness is rated at 1,800 lumens, optimized for home theater environments. It's not about over-the-top brightness, but accurate, balanced lighting that ensures color fidelity and natural contrast. Trilumino's display technology further enhances the color spectrum, producing realistic reds, greens, and blues. Each image looks lively, without oversaturation. Motion handling is another area where this projector excels. Motion flow technology smooths fast-moving scenes, minimizing blur, making it ideal for sports, gaming, and action-packed films. The projector also maintains low input lag, so it's responsive enough for modern gaming setups. Setting up the VPL-VW715ES is straightforward. It features motorized zoom, focus, and lens shift, allowing precise adjustments even in challenging setups or ceiling-mounted installations. The lens memory function saves multiple aspect ratio settings, letting users switch between 16:9 and 2.35:1 cinematic formats instantly, maintaining the perfect image alignment every time. Sony's reality creation upscales non-4K content beautifully. Older movies, streaming content, and HD shows get enhanced detail and sharpness, making everything appear closer to true 4K quality. HDR10 and HLG support elevate high dynamic range content, rendering deep blacks and natural highlights. Shadows maintain detail, and bright areas shine without washing out the scene. Audio integration is intentionally left to external systems, emphasizing that the VPL-VW715ES is part of a full home theater setup. Pair it with a surround sound system or high-quality soundbar, and it creates an immersive, professional-level cinematic environment. Durability and longevity are strong points as well. The lamp can last up to 6,000 hours depending on use, so long-term maintenance is minimal. With its exceptional image quality, advanced motion handling, and extensive setup flexibility, the VPL-VW715ES elevates the home theater experience to professional standards. Watching a movie or playing a game on this projector is more than viewing content. It's a full sensory experience. The colors, brightness, contrast, and detail work together to create an environment that feels like a dedicated theater. For anyone serious about home entertainment and wanting uncompromised visual performance, this projector is a remarkable investment. To explore the Sony VPL-VW715ES 4K HDR home theater projector and bring this cinematic experience into your home, check the link in the description.